Hello y'all. So I'm losing a lot of the light. It is snowing where I live at. My kids is in the background cutting up. I'm trying not to lose a lot of my lighting, and I am. That's fine right there, Trey. That's fine. No, that's okay. That's okay, baby. So the wig that I'm wearing, I actually had this wig before, but I had it in black, and it got a lot of volume. It has a lot of volume. I really even get down to the nitty gritty of it. You feel what I'm saying? So this wig is let's see what color it is. I think it's burgundy. Yeah. It's Ciara, and it's by Empress Lace Parting Wigs by Sensational, and the color I have is BG, which stands for burgundy. Like I said, I have it in black, and it is gorgeous in black. I bought this wig I bought the black one maybe like a year and a half ago, or maybe a year ago. I'm not for sure. But I had this one sitting just on the shelf collecting dust. So I was like, all right, well, I got the black one. I know what the black ones do, so let me get the red ones. See what the red ones do. You know, because hubby likes the little red wigs on the sister. You see what I'm saying? So I just came in with this look. I was like, let me do a dark eye. I wanted to do a dark eye. It looked very exotic with some red hair. And this is what I came up with. So it's like semi like a review. It does have 3 combs, one here and one here and one in the back. Like I said, it's a lace front wig. I plucked it a little bit, and I also added a little bit of concealer. And this is a good go-to wig. I don't know about wearing it for long time. Like, I don't know, maybe after 2 weeks, sis, you might need to get another wig, because, you know, it is a synthetic wig. It's not a human wig, and it's very affordable. I think I paid like $22 or $25 for this wig. It's very affordable. It's probably maybe like, well, I'm 5'8", so it's probably like maybe 20 inches on me. And like I said, it has a lot of curls. It's popping. It's very sexy for a date night. Or, you know, if you have a husband, you go ahead and chill and date with your husband, which I do. But it's very flowy. It's very soft. It don't shed that much. Let me see. Yeah, it just got a little bit of hair. It's not too much, as y'all can see that little bit. Yeah, nothing too much. And it's also probably shedding because I did pluck the part a little bit. I probably could open it up maybe just a little bit more, maybe coming towards the front, but it's totally fine. Just go ahead and stick that on there. I did not glue it down. You don't have to glue it down if you don't want to. You can if you want to, if you're going to be wearing it for, I guess, a long time. I'm going to be taking it off, so I don't need to glue it down. But this is the wig, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy the look. What I'm wearing on my lips is a Sephora brand. I'm not for sure what the name of this. I think it's called Fireside. And number 11. And this is what the lip look like. It's a nice dark brown, as you guys can see. I do like brown looks, but I figure because my eyes are already dark, I don't really need to wear a dark lip. I need to try to make it like a nude lip. So this is the look right now. And I use 1 palette for this whole look. 1 palette by Makeup Revolution. I had it upside down, forgive me. And this palette is called Reloaded New Trials 3. And this is what it looks like. And it's a nice go-to palette. If you're traveling or whatever, you want to travel light, sis, just go ahead and bring 1 palette and they'll do the whole trick. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Come back and I'll see you on my next video.
Double A flex.
You touch my body like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing. This is the sound. See the look in your eye every time I walk by. How my dress, hug my thighs. I know you can't deny. I'm like food to your soul, candy to your eye. I'm a stallion, babe. You know I got hot body. I'm twerking it, yeah, I'm working. Got you thirsting for my loving. No, I'm stacked right, front to back right. Wanna snack right now. You wanna see me dance, you wanna see me dance for you. You wanna see me move. You like it when my body do. How I drop it low to the ground, all around. Pick it up, back it up, yeah. You touch my body like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing. Got you weak in the knees just to get a piece. Have you buzzing like a bee, trying to taste my honey. Yeah, I'm finger licking good. I'm so tempting. I'm a stallion, babe. You know I got a body. You grabbing it, wanna smack it, tryna bag it, gotta have it. No, I'm stacked right, front to back right. Wanna snack right now. I got these Jones swimming in my bones. I'll indeed take over your soul. Something about the way you look at me. Oh, you craving what you wanna eat. Cause I'm thicker than a Snicker, baby. You want my pieces like a Reese's, baby. Oh, you wanna be my sugar daddy. Come on over, we can make it happen. You wanna see me dance. You wanna see me dance for you. You wanna see me move. You like it when my body do. How I drop it low to the ground, all around. Pick it up, back it up, yeah. You touch my body like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing.
Girl, your body's super sweet, I swear it's tantalizing. Got me in a trance, but when you dance, trying to get beside you, doing what we do. I can't lie, girl, I'm all about you. I do anything just to get a piece. Girl, I'm playing, I need the whole thing. It's a snack, but to me, you looking like a full meal. If I get you to myself, I'ma show you what it is. I'm the man. See, I'ma have to show you what I'm saying. I'ma eat that, beat that, treat that like I should. See, I ain't playing. See, baby, I'm the best. Ain't no time for another dude. Put you on the bed and I'ma eat you like a plate of food. Baby, you a snack, and you know I got a sweet tooth. Now come and put that sugar on my tongue like you supposed to.
Like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing.
Double A flicks.
You touch my body like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing.
This is the sound.
See the look in your eye every time I walk by. How my dress, hug my thighs, I know you can't deny. I'm like food to your soul, candy to your eye. I'm a stallion, babe. You know I got hot body. I'm twerking it, yeah, I'm working. Got you thirsting for my loving. No, I'm stacked right, front to back right. Wanna snack right now. You wanna see me dance. You wanna see me dance for you. You wanna see me move. You like it when my body do. How I drop it low to the ground, all around. Pick it up, back it up, yeah. You touch my body like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing. Got you weak in the knees just to get a piece. Have you buzzing like a bee, trying to taste my honey. Yeah, I'm finger licking good. I'm so tempting. I'm a stallion, babe. You know I got a body. You grabbing it, wanna smack it, tryna bag it, gotta have it. No, I'm stacked right, front to back right. Wanna snack right now. I got these Jones swimming in my bones. I'll indeed take over your soul. touch my body like you miss me. Look at me like you could just kiss me. And I know I look appetizing to you. Oh boy, you know that I'm enticing.
Girl, your body's super sweet, I swear it's tantalizing. Got me in a trance, but when you dance, trying to get beside you, doing what we do. I can't lie, girl, I'm